Last month, I published a video showing how to use Obsidian on your phone. I went over the entire interface and gave my recommendations about using Obsidian on mobile mostly for reference, due to the somewhat clunky writing experience and the lack of a robust quick capture method. Well, the very same day, the Obsidian devs played a little joke on me. They dropped an early access update that made my advice basically obsolete. Version 1.11 changes everything about the mobile experience thanks to a long-awaited feature, native widgets. But before I get into those, I want to mention some of the quality of life changes in this refresh. The interface is much sleeker now. It stays out of your way, leaving more room to actually work with your notes. When you scroll down, the navigation bars hide entirely for a full-screen reading experience. They reappear the moment you scroll back up or give the screen a quick tap. The biggest win for your hands, though, is that the sidebar controls have migrated from the top to the bottom of the screen. If you're using a large phone with one hand, this is a massive improvement. They also added a pull-down gesture. Just swipe down from the top of the screen to instantly trigger the command palette or a custom action. This pull-down gesture may have been there before, I honestly can't remember, but it feels much more responsive now. You can even customize what this does by going to Settings, Toolbar, then tapping Configure Mobile Quick Action. But the real headline here is the native widgets. Obsidian finally lives directly on your home screen. There are three primary types. The first is the new Note widget. This is your quick capture button. This widget opens the app straight into a new note with your keyboard active. The next is the Daily Note widget. This is a one-tap portal to your agenda or journal. It's the fastest way to check your tasks for the day, or jump straight into a journal entry. It only works if you have the Daily Notes plugin enabled, so make sure you have it turned on. The third widget is a View Note widget. It allows you to jump straight into any note that you have bookmarked in your vault. It comes in 3 sizes, with each size giving you a preview of the note. The larger the widget, the more you'll see of the note. It doesn't render the markdown though, so any code blocks like those in data view queries won't show in the preview. So that's something to keep in mind when selecting which note to display. If you're on iOS, you've got even more options on the lock screen and in the control center. You can use the same 3 types I just mentioned, but you also have access to a search widget and a shortcut that takes you straight into the app. Even searching for Obsidian in Spotlight gives you new options to create a note, search your vault, or open your daily note immediately. There are now so many ways to quickly access your notes, which makes using Obsidian on mobile a much more first-rate experience than it used to be. These new features are available to the public now, so make sure you update Obsidian to get the latest version and start using them today. Which of these new widgets are you most excited for? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn how to use the rest of the mobile features that haven't changed, you can check out my previous tutorial right here.